Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Master Solanki. Today we are going to show you a new product that's RGB LED light, and this is with the T10 socket. Many people don't know about the T10 socket, so we just like to know you that this is a multicolor LED and it came with the remote, so you can change the light color, pattern of the color, like as you can see in the video, like in the remote control, flasher, strobe, fade, smooth. There are some features also. So this is basically a T10 multicolor LED with remote control. So basically you can use this LED light in any T10 socket, which basically you can use this in your parking light of the car, the backlights of the any bike or like that, and you can use it in your number plate light also of the bike, and you can use it in indicators also of your bike. But you just need to check first that your bike supports T10 socket. And I just like to inform you that I have Apache RTR 164V. In that I have T10 socket in the indicators. So if you want, you can use this multicolor RGB light in your Apache RTR 164V in the indicators also. We just like to install this product in our car, which we have a Nissan Micra, and we will install it in our Nissan Micra and show you how this product works and how its color light and how it works. So this is the main product. So let's come and see how to install in our car. Okay, so let me show you that how to install the RGB multicolor LED light in your car inside this light. And I like to inform you that I'm installing this light in my car Nissan Micra. So let's see how to open this light cover. So you just need to take anything, like that, and put it in like this, and it will come out. So we will open it like this. Previously there is a halogen bulb was installed, and if you can see, it's showing there that 5 watt pipe. So here is this our light, so multicolor LED light. So we will install this. Again, I like to tell you that in this multicolor LED we will get the T10 socket, and here is also the T10 socket. So it's just we need to plug it. So just show you, we just plug it inside, and that's it. So it's installed, and I just show you how it works. To tell you that in halogen bulb there is no positive negative, and in LED bulbs there is positive and negative system is there. So if your LED is not work there, then just turn it on, turn and just insert it again, and let's see. If it's not work, then just turn, then insert it again, and you can see it's working now. So just change the polarity if it's not working the first time, because the positive negative maybe it not works. So you can see it how it looks right now. So we will place the cover again, just switch it off once and just put it back, and that's it. And you can see it how it works. So let me show you how this remote control works. So right now it's in flashing mode, so we can change the color like only red. This is now only red, and now I'm going to change to green. Just press green and it will be converted in green color. If we click on blue, it will be on blue color. Click on white, it will be white color. And there are also other color also, like red, then it will be red, yellow, then it will be yellow. So you can use all the colors. And here there is another function. This is a smooth button, so it will be work like this. So you can change all the modes, and it's like that, but preferably I like this one right now, so I will choose this one. I also like to inform you that you can use this LED bulb in your parking light also, in your indicator of your bike. I also try to install this LED bulb in my Apache RTR 164V, because in Apache RTR 164V there is T10 LED indicator, so you can use it in your Apache RTR 164V also, and you can use in this one also, and a part of any other one where T10 socket is available, so you can use this bulb. So for now, that's it. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, kindly like and subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching this video.